Hello guys, welcome to you. In this video, we are going to see how to hide search bar and Cortana button in a Windows 10 PC or laptop. Here is the my search bar. You can click at here and search anything. I don't want this, so I just want to remove it. Okay. And also same thing with the Cortana button. Just click at here and here is the Cortana button. You can go to the Cortana and I want to remove this button also. Okay. It is very simple way to remove this too. Okay. Now just go to the taskbar, right click on the taskbar, and here we find search. Just go to the search and here we find three options hidden, then show search icons. If you click on the show search icons, it's become very small. I just click it here and here we find our search bar become very small. Okay, but it is still on the our taskbar. Now right click on it and just go to the search once again, and here we find hidden, and it is hidden from the our taskbar. Now we just go to the our Cortana. We want to remove our Cortana also. Now right click on it, our taskbar, and here we find show Cortana button. It is checked. If you uncheck it just like this, okay, now uncheck it and our Cortana is gone. So guys, this is the simplest way to hide search bar and Cortana button in a Windows 10 PC or laptop. So guys, thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share, comment on this video, and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you guys.